Hi guys, it's Michelle. Hey, I wanted to share my Artminds recipes with you. Unfortunately, my video cut out for the mysterious. So we're going to work on the knockout. And here I am opening up the knockout that I have just to show you what it looks like. And this is my first time doing a voiceover, so hopefully I don't mess it up. Anyhow, just pouring that down just to show you what the original looks like. Now, I tried this recipe with other products and it was just too complicated. This one was really easy. So it's just the Pebeo Studio Acrylics, and that's the Dinah collection, and it's iridescent blue violet. So right now I'm just putting in, I think this is an eighth of a cup, yeah. And I'm tapping it down so that the measurement is accurate. So basically it was an eighth of a cup of the Pebeo iridescent blue violet and an eighth of a cup of the Folkart, and that is the orange flash, I believe. There we go. Yeah, I think that's what it says. Anyhow, those two colors together made really a really nice base. Now I had to add. This is a little bit more liquidy than the Pebeo, and this recipe is going to be a little thicker than the original Artminds. You can go ahead and add some acrylic polymer to it to make it more liquidy, but I just prefer to just make it thicker and then just add my pouring medium. So this is a little bit darker than what the original is. So I end up adding some. It was a titanium white, and it's any titanium white. I just happened to pick Artist Loft because it was sitting there. But this is a recipe I was doing at the time too. So I had to do a little trial and error. So I did an eighth of a teaspoon of the titanium white, and then I realized, I'm sorry, it was a quarter teaspoon of the titanium white. And then I realized I needed more white, so I just added another quarter teaspoon. So the recipe is 1/8 of a cup of each of the colors, and then a half a teaspoon of the titanium white. And it came out pretty good, as you can see. Just gonna let this video go a little bit more. Yeah, see, I'm putting it in there. So anytime you want to create a color, you can just do a trial and error. I just used a tile just to see what the different colors would be. So now that's mixing up. It looks really close, but it's not quite, no cigar. So I had to add a little bit more titanium white to match it up pretty close. And like I said, it is a lot thicker, but I really love that color. And somebody actually did ask me in my comments about the knockout because it is discontinued. So it's unfortunately, I'll do another video for the mysterious. Gail Bernstein had published it in one of her videos in the description box, and I was so grateful, and I just tweaked my recipe a little bit. But anyhow, hope you're enjoying this, and hope you guys can make some paints. You don't have to rely on something that is discontinued. See, look how close that is. That is super close. You might not get the exact consistency with another paint you're trying to replicate, but hey, this works for me, and I really love this color. I use it on I use it in a lot of my pours. So there, we're putting it on the tile, and now I'm going to put it really close to the one that is the original. I know I do that. There we go. Nope. Putting more. There we go. Right there. Putting it right close to it. So as you can see, it's really close. Anyhow, Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make your own knockout. One last time, 1/8 of a cup of each of the colors, the blue violet, the Folkart orange flash, and 1/2 teaspoon of any titanium white. And you will enjoy your own homemade knockout. Bye now.